Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Beauty, and today, as you can tell from the title, I'll be doing a cute bun for you guys. Okay, now I already parted my hair out in two because my hair, to put my hair in one, it takes a long time, and I'm gonna be using Gotta Be gel, okay, to mold my hair because nothing really works for my hair, so I'm gonna just use Gotta Be gel and a flat brush to brush my hair up in one. And you can see I'm struggling, like I'm gonna be struggling this whole video because that's why I hate doing my real hair. But now I'm gonna come with a lot of more like natural hair videos for you guys because a lot of people have been asking me to do a lot of more natural hair videos, and yeah, so I will. Just to put on the pony, I was struggling, y'all. Y'all can see my face. I was done tired, and I just looped it around once. I didn't loop it around twice. I was now getting started, and it was a struggle. See, I always gotta bend my head down because it be a struggle, just so I don't gotta look in the mirror and think like it's gonna take a long time. Girl, look at my face. Oh my gosh, sis was struggling. Look, I was struggling with that. But anyways, that's why I part my hair in two, so it'll be easier for me. Yes. All of that struggle. That's when you have a long hair. Like, a lot of people are like, oh my gosh, you don't know what to do with your hair. I do know what to do with it. It's just I don't want to be in the mirror every day doing my hair. Like, then I'm gonna use the Gotta Be gel also, but that's in the yellow container. Brush the back up of my hair, and I was struggling to brush my hair in the back also because, child, I do not know what was going on. I just wanted it to be neat as possible, and I was still struggling with it. Was like I was struggling with the old hairstyle. Like, I was trying to like be finished and like be like, ta-da, there it is, I'm done. That's how I was feeling when I was doing my hair. It's a lot of work, like, y'all understand. Like, now I'll take some Gotta Be gel and put it on the back of my head because, like I said, this is the only thing that holds my hair, especially because my hair is natural, you know. And yeah, this is the only thing that holds my hair. And I need me a good strong brush, like, you know, a good strong brush, not too rough, but I like a good brush. That's why I got this brush, and it's really neat and everything. Thinking what, please do not pop because this will be an embarrassment. If this pop, you know, you have that one time that you're trying to do your hair and you use a rubber band and it just pop. You know, I was just praying like in my head, please don't pop because you're my only one. Like, that's how I was thinking until I get when I finished. I was like, oh my gosh, thank you so much that you did not pop. And this part I was struggling. I was just praying like, yes. I was like, yes. So now I'm just brushing my hair up after I did it, put it in one and everything. Like, y'all, that's why I don't do my hair like that. Like, my natural hair. Look at my hair. It's just so red. Now I'm gonna use the Gotta Be Olden spray and spray my hair just so I could have a formal old, because I'm trying to wear this hairstyle for at least a week until I get my hair done. Like, I mean, at least 2 weeks. At least 2 weeks. 2 weeks. 2 weeks the most. Like 2 weeks. I don't know what the hell I was doing, because that was not cute. That bun. Oh my gosh. That first bun. Sweetie. No, sis. I don't know. That was not cute. It was really big. It looked really messy. I hate them. I like messy ones, but I hate when it looks too messy and unbalanced and like very not neat. Like, I don't know. I just don't like it too messy. And that was too messy, so I had to like, sis. I was like, no. No, it was cute for the moment, but I had to be like, no, sis. Do my edges. I'm gonna swoop the next side. You see that swoop, like swoop? But then afterwards, I was looking at my bun and it was not looking good, y'all. So I decided to take it down and like redo it into like a smaller bun, because that big bun on top of my head was not looking good, and I just wasn't messing with it. No, sis, take that off with that bun. Didn't like that one. I just feel like it could have been way better than what it was right now. So yeah, just watch me do the next one. That's all.
Hours later.
This is how it is when I did it over. Like, I'm still watching the mirror. It looks slanted to me. Alright. Let's not care about it. Look, it's not this is the final look right here. The last one was the final look also, but you know, I wanted it, that's what people who wanted it like puffy. I wanted it a little bit slimmer rather than puffy. You know, so that's two ways. So you like it, but I really like both of the ways, but this way is what I'm gonna go with right now. Okay, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Please remember to press the notification bell so you can get notified when I post my new video. So I'll leave the link in the description so you guys can check that link out, and you can check that nail tutorial out with me doing my nails. See you guys in the next video.